Hello friends, this video on polynomials part 2 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let's talk about polynomial in one variable. Polynomial definition we know. Something which has variables and constant, and we use operations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication, and the most important part is the exponents are whole number. Okay. So let's take polynomial of one variable. Let's talk of scenarios such as square. So we want to find the perimeter of the square, and let's suppose the length is x. If this is x, this is also be x because it is square. This is also x and this is also x. So if we talk about perimeter of square, it will be x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. Or if you talk about area of square, that will be x into x, that is x square. So if you see, both these are nothing but polynomials, and there is only one variable here. If you see x, why polynomial? If you see, the exponent power is 2, which is a whole number. Here the exponent power is 1, that is also a whole number, right? And it has variables and constants, so it is a polynomial. So this is one good example of polynomial of one variable. Or if you want to take circle with a radius r, if you want to find the perimeter of circle, so perimeter of circle will be 2 pi r, and if you want to find the area of circle, that will be pi r square. So here if you see, r to the power 1, here r to the power 2, which is a whole number, and here r is a variable. So these are both examples of polynomial of one variable. More example if you want. The whole expression is called polynomial. You want more example, for example 5x, 2x square plus 3x plus 8, 8x cube plus 4x square plus 9, x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4, y to the power 5 plus y to the power 3 plus 2, anything you can take. These are all examples of polynomials of one variable, because here if you see, there is only one variable x, only one variable x, only one variable z, only one variable y. But if you talk about something like this, x square plus y square plus 2x, here there is a variable x, variable y. So this is an example of polynomial of two variable. Okay, please understand with me, polynomial of one variable because there is only one variable. Why they are polynomial? Because they are expression with variables and constant, and the power of exponent is always whole number. Is all whole number. So if you say something like this, this is not a polynomial itself. This is one variable, but this is not polynomial because the power is -2, which is not a whole number. Okay. Let's talk about scenarios for polynomial in two variable. Instead of square, let's take rectangle, and this x be the length, y be the width. So in this case, the perimeter will be what? Perimeter of rectangle, if you want to create a general formula, will be 2 into x plus y, or I can say 2x plus 2y. And area of rectangle will be x into y. So if you see, this is an expression which has two variables x and y. This is an expression which has two variables x and y. So these are polynomials of two variables. Okay. Or let's take a cylinder where r is the radius and h is the height. So for this cylinder, if you want to find perimeter, or area, you don't find area will be 2 pi r h. If If you want to find volume of this cylinder, it will be pi r square h. You must have read about these things. So we see here, this is the expression with r and h variable, two variables. This is also expression with two variable r and h. So all these are variables. So here two variables, x and y or rh. So these are polynomials of two variable. Another example can be, for example, x square plus y square plus 5, or x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 3. These are also example of polynomial of two variables because they are two variables x and y, right? But if you see x square plus y square plus z square plus 3, this is not polynomial of two variables because there are three variables x, y and z. Okay. So with this, I hope that you have got the concept of polynomial. What is polynomial? And polynomials are typically of one variables, two variables, three variables. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.